Welcome to YIZUMI Germany, smart manufacturing solutions for technically demanding products in the field of plastic and metal forming technology. Here at the Alsdorf location, YIZUMI Germany offers a wide range of products, from standard machines to innovative system solutions in die casting, rubber injection molding, Thixomolding and 3D printing. At the same time, we are a research and development center for the entire YIZUMI range. Our experts not only focus on optimizing machine technology, but also work intensively on process development. This enables us to provide our customers with smart and individual solutions that offer a high cost efficiency in the form of lower component costs. Furthermore, our customers benefit from our service offerings such as maintenance management, troubleshooting, continuous process monitoring and fast spare parts service. With YIZUMI by your side, you have a reliable and innovative partner for all challenges in your manufacturing process. We look forward to working with you.